Okay, so for this problem, I made my A value 12, B is 5, C is 13, um, D is 5, and E is 4. So, and then my theta is 22.62 degrees. So this gave me my center of my hyperbola to be at 5, 0, and then my vertices to be at 9, 0, and 1, 0, and then that gave me my equation of my hyperbola to be x minus 5 divided by 4 squared plus y divided by 3 squared is equal to 1. So using my original equation and the equation for polar form of the hyperbola, I first plugged in those values into my equation, which gave me r is equal to 4 times parentheses 5 fourths squared minus 1 divided by 1 plus 5 fourths cosine theta. I then went on to simplify the equation and also changed theta to be theta minus tangent inverse 5/12 because that will allow me for the to rotate the conic 22.62 degrees. My final equation in polar form was r is equal to 9 fourths divided by 1 plus 5 fourths cosine theta minus tangent inverse 5/12. So now I had to change the equation into rectangular form. The first thing that I did is I multiplied the equation in polar form to get rid of the fraction, which gave me r times parentheses 1 plus 5 fourths cosine theta minus tangent inverse of 5/12 is equal to 9 fourths. After that, I was able to replace the cosine times parentheses theta minus tangent inverse of 5/12 using the identity for cosine a plus b, which gave me r times parentheses 1 plus 5 fourths parentheses cosine theta cosine times cosine tangent inverse 5/12 plus sine theta times sine times parentheses tangent inverse of 5/12 is equal to 9 fourths. Next, I condensed what was inside the parentheses and distributed the 5 fourths in r to give me r plus 60 divided by 52 cosine theta r plus 25 divided by 12 sine theta r is equal to 9 fourths. After doing that, I knew that x is equal to r cosine theta and y is equal to r sine theta and r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. So I was able to replace all the r's in my equation with x and y. This gave me the square root of x squared plus y squared plus 60 divided by 52x plus 25 divided by 52y is equal to 9 fourths. Then I isolated the square root of x squared plus y squared and then squared both sides. So after doing this, I brought my x squared and y squared to the right of my equation and my 81 divided by 16 to the left side, which gave me negative 81 divided by 16 is equal to 56 over 169 x squared plus 375 divided by 338 xy minus 2079 divided by 2704 y squared minus 135 divided by 26x minus 225 divided by 104y. After that, I multiplied both sides by negative 16 over 81 so I could get my left side equal to the 1, which is what I needed in order to graph this hyperbola. This step gave me my final rotated equation in rectangular form to be 1 is equal to negative 896 divided by 13,689 x squared minus 6,000 divided by 27,378 xy plus, let's see, 33,264 divided by 219,024 y squared plus 2,160 divided by 2,106 x plus 3,600 divided by 8,424 y.